So this is going to be a quick tour of Deck 5. Deck 5 is probably the least busy of the public areas, the least number of things going on. So we're going to take a quick look at it. We're going to start from the pool deck, headed down in these glass elevators that open into the atrium that goes from 5 all the way up to the pool deck. It's really pretty the way it's set up. We enjoyed the Sky a lot. She's one of NCL's oldest and smallest ships, but she's still gorgeous. She's just been refurbed, and you can see it as we look around. I would encourage everybody to hit the subscribe button as this video is just one of several that are coming. So if you hit the subscribe button, you'll get notified when new videos come out. This is the Palace Dining Room. This was our favorite venue. We had a waiter in here that we really liked, so we'd come back and ask for their station for most meals. We started out with lunch there on our day as we sailed away. And as you can see, it's really pretty. I said it was our favorite. As we come up here on the left, you'll see a model of the Sky there, a really nice model. We're going to come out of the Palace, and as we go around to the right, the first thing we're going to see is the Shore Excursion desk. So we see there's the Shore Excursion desk, and we're going to continue around, and there's going to be a couple of areas that go off to either side in the atrium. That these go into Deck 5 cabins forward. There's not a lot to see down there, so I don't go down the hallways. There is a chart there with all of the officers on board. And I will say this, that several of the officers you were quite willing to talk to you. I thought the service we had from the management staff was amazing. We're coming up now on the guest services desk. There's basically one for regular guest services, another for credit issues. And I filmed this early in the morning. I try hard not to get other people in my films. You never know when you'll get a picture of somebody and post it and they'll be very unhappy about it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy, please go ahead and hit the like and the subscribe buttons. We've got a lot more videos coming up. You're really going to enjoy them. We'll see you next time.